All right, so real quick, I just want to throw this idea out there. I'm working on the 2x72 belt grinder, and I hate all the ways that everybody is designing the locks with a screw that pushes in, or milling down the edge of this so you can get a screw from the side. So I came up with this cam lock, and it works really good. I mean, nice tight grip. So all it is an eccentric cam, I suppose you would call that. And under here, this is spring loaded piece of brass. I made these tabs out of 1/2-inch metal. Probably overkill. And that's how it is underneath. All right. Real thin flange. It's recessed from the bottom of this to allow for the springs. And all I did was drill a hole with 2 small holes beside it for the springs to be compressed in. And those sit down in there. And there's your brake right there. Pushes itself back up. Real easy. No pressure at all. I didn't push down on that, just the weight of it falling down. Lock that so tight. It literally takes half my strength to just move it. Now that's locked all the way down. So, if you're looking for a better way, you found it. Scrap or die.